welcome to the home studio again. Hot one here today, again, heat wave. We've been in a heat wave for 2 weeks now. But I want to show you part 2 to our French nails. Now, this is a quick and easy way just to jazz things up a little bit with stamping, right? What could be easier? So this is a lace stamp in white that we are going to put over the traditional French manicure. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to do it.
Here we are at the station. Our little French nails are done, but what if we want to convert this into maybe something nice for summer, like a wedding manicure? So how can we do that? Simply, we still want to keep our cute little French. I'm really quite liking having these short little nails right now, but I want to jazz it up just a little bit. And so here's what I was thinking. Got all my stamping stuff out here. Well, not all of it, but what we're going to be needing for today. And here in my handy dandy little plate folder is the inspiration for my wedding nails. And that is going to be, oh, maybe you guys can see this here. Let's put it into the shot. This one here, okay? So this is just all about lace. I know sometimes this is a bit reflective. If it is, I'm really sorry. But as you can see, wow, what a lot of fun, hey? So I think what I want to do is I want to just add a little bit, maybe not even on all the nails, not quite sure yet, but I just want to add a little touch of lace. Now, the colors I was thinking for my lace are, this is a holographic silver from What's Up, and then this is Blank My Mind from What's Up, so just a pure white. So that's what I'm thinking. I mean, I want to keep it nice and light for wedding style of nails. So the other thing I have here is I have my little clear jelly. Now, this one is for our stamping buttons, so we can just easily touch off. We don't want to use acetone or anything on our buttons. This What's Up stamping button, one of my favorites actually, is when we turn this over, it's a magnifier. So you can really see what you're actually stamping. How fun is that? Kind of smart. I have a little brush, cleanup brush, just in case we need it. I'm going to fill my little dish here with just a little bit of our cleaner, just in case I have to do a little bit of a touch up here. Acetone works just fine as well too. And then I have my little, these little polish guys. These are great because they have the plastic back on them. Anybody that's used to doing polishes, you guys know these are amazing for polish. You push it on, you hold, and then you just kind of wipe, but you're not going to get covered in the polish because of the black, or because of the backing on here. It's plastic. So I have these handy because these are great for cleaning up stamping plates, cleaning up my stamping mat. Yes, that's what this is. It's silicone here, so it can be cleaned off. If you're doing a lot of stamping, you should probably have one of these. It'll save your station. Okay, well, I think we're ready. So I've chosen this design right here, and I was going to do a different one, but I've decided against this. It's not quite as solid. There's a little bit more airiness in the background. So what we're going to do is we're going to use here on this corner, and we're just going to put that across. All right, and let's move that out of the way. Okay. And you can kind of see that design there, what I'm going for. All right, and then we're going to go like this. So just a pretty little lace design. And then we're going to just touch that off. Don't put acetone on your button. Clean this up, ready for the next nail. And clean this up, ready for the next nail. And okay, so here we go. So there's number one. Let's get our button in place here. And do this again. Right off, just like that. Pick it up. All right, this is our wonderful little magnifier. And so we're gonna just come in like this. A little bit of lace on there. Touch that off. Now, if we do get anything on those sides, we can kind of do a little cleanup just like that. Right there. Pretty quick and easy, right? Okay. I'm gonna just touch into my solution here, a little clean, and we're gonna clean our scraper card. Make sure this is nice and clean. All right, we're gonna do another one. Off the edge you go. Touch down. Okay, there's our design. And there we go. Touch off. Clean your button. Little touch here. Clean your sides. This a clean. If you need any more solution, you can always grab it. I am using the clear jelly stamper, the plate cleaner. This actually works really well. This isn't a proper clean. This is just like a clean in between. When I'm finished, I am going to clean it all properly, but this is just cleaning that area so that I can go in and just do another stamp here. Okay, now this one is teeny, so we're just gonna, don't need too much on this one. Touch off, there it is. And just like that, just on that edge. Teeny little now, okay? Touch off. Oh, still a bit on there. Let's do that. And okay. Pretty simple, hey? So let me do the thumb now, and then that hand will be almost finished. We'll have to just seal it in. Now, to seal in, we can use clear jelly stamper. They have a top coat, no smear top coat. Remember, what we're working with here, even though it is a stamping polish, it is a polish nonetheless. It has to be really dry. If you go in really heavy with any ordinary nail polish remover, not saying all are going to do this, but a lot do, and it streaks your design. And you can see how nice and crisp all my edges are and whatnot. So I don't want to start streaking that. You can use Accent Shine On. If you are a salon pro, you have access to that wonderful product. It does an amazing job of sealing. If you're not, we have our handy dandy Intense Seal. This works really well as well too. So got a couple of choices there. Now this one we had to do a bit bigger because this is for the thumb, and the thumb is bigger. Oh, let's get this lined up. Which way am I going here, guys? Yeah, there it is. Okay, there we go. Touch it off. And oh, I might need just a tiny bit more for my cleaning. Did I get it? Clean off your brush. Now, I'm just going to add a little bit just directly onto my little pad here. And I'm just going to do a little bit of a better clean for now. Once again, we still have a whole other hand, so it's not going to be perfect at this point in time. It will be when I'm finished. And then we're just going to clean off that edge there. I'm going to cap my polish right now. I don't want it to dry out. I'm going to cap this. I don't want to spill this. And let's just back up on that a bit. There we go. Okay. So I am going to just wait a minute or two. I don't want to go in too quickly on this. I'm going to use the Intense Seal just because this is something everybody has access to. It's really, really shiny, wonderful product. But I am just going to wait just a little bit. And so I'll be back with you in just a second, and then we're going to finish these up. I've moved a few things out of the way, as you can see. Just want to clear my workspace a little bit here. Now, this product here by IBD, it is very shiny. It is an amazing product. However, it doesn't need a high wattage to cure. It cures really quickly and really easily. So, well, what does that matter? Well, what it matters is, because I am using a 54 watt light, I am just going to put my hand in and out just like that. I don't know if you guys saw that. Literally 1 second. And I'm going to do that for each of the nails, literally just 1 little second. Why? Because it's curing so quickly. We don't want to have any heat, okay? So back in and out. Now, you don't do this with all products, but this one in particular, we could be definitely using a lower watt light for curing this properly. Okay. In, out. And then once again, we're just gonna put some on here. Now, make sure you're not flooding this either. You don't need a lot, right? In, out. And then just the thumb, in and out. We're going to do the same thing here. You don't need a lot. Don't need a lot. But let's put it on right to the edge. There we go. Okay. In and out. 1 second. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take a 30 seconds, and now we are going to cure it properly. So in you go. All right. Be back in a second. Okay, so there we go. Tack free, so there's nothing to wipe off. It's done. It's ready to go. I would suggest washing your hands. So just if there's anything that's left on your skin, we definitely want to make sure that we're giving that a nice wash and removing it. Once you've had a hand wash, you can finish with, I know we saw this earlier in my product shop, but this is from Lena at What's Up Nails in Arizona, and she's the founder of What's Up Nails. But this is a wonderful little personal cuticle oil pen. You can carry it around with you everywhere. It actually doesn't leak, surprisingly. We've tried a lot before, and a lot of them do leak. This one doesn't. Got a really ample supply in here, but this is going to keep your cuticles nice and hydrated on the go, right? You can rub it in if you want to, or you can just leave it. Like I say, this is a personal pen though. If you're servicing customers, this would be something you could retail to them, but I wouldn't really necessarily recommend that you're using this on everybody because it's not coming off on a dropper. And so for sanitary purposes, we would recommend that this would be for personal use. This one is my own, so I can carry this one around and use it on myself. All right, well, hopefully you guys have fun. I'm gonna go away. I'm gonna finish up the other hand, and then I'll send you guys a shot of everything done and afterwards. Just a quick little decoration on my French nails.